Today is a special day for all, students and teachers too. My name is Riddhi Pancharia from 8th A. Welcome on the auspicious day of oath-taking ceremony. On this day, I welcome all the dignitaries of Shikshan Mandal Karad. We came out of the pandemic situation beginning of new educational year 2022-23 was much awaiting, curious and happy moment. In this new educational year, with a great inspiration from our Honorable Principal, Mr. Santosh Kumar Giri Sir, he launched a new concept of houses in our school. The name of houses are Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj House, Swatantra Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar House, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak House, and Swami Vivekanand House. Dear students, we can see photos of our house guides. I request all the dignitaries to give floral tribute to photos of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Swatantra Veer Damodar Savarkar, Lokmanya Tilak and Swami Vivekanand. Sir, please. Present our assembly shortly in front of our honorable dignitaries. We will be starting from Gayatri Mantra and then it will be followed by 2 prayers. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता and प्रार्थना तू ही राम है. Start. Stand up, all of you.
Thank you. let us start with thought of the day. I am Rudra Patel of Standard 5th B, standing in front of you with today's thought. And the thought is, success in life is not for those who run fast, but for those who keep running and always on the move. I repeat my thought, success in life is not for those who run fast, but for those who keep running and always on the move. Thank you. Have a nice day. What is happening around us? I am Safia Mulani from 8th B, going to tell you today's news headlines. First, international news. Former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe dies after being shot. Today's national news. Shiv Sena President Uddhav Thackeray has demanded for mid-term polls in Maharashtra after he had to quit as CM and has been replaced by Eknath Shinde. Today's local news. Hope Gujarat BJP leaders learn from Delhi model, improve their schools. And leopard walks into Mumbai school trapped inside the toilet. Sports news. India's national games will be held in Gujarat from 27 September to 10 October 2020. And today's special news for all of us is on 9th July 2022, Assam's English Medium School, Karad, is celebrating first oath-taking ceremony for all prefects, sub-prefects, head girl, head boy, deputy head girl and deputy head boy, house captains, sport captains, discipline coordinators. Thank you.
Myself, Shivanjali Chavan from 10th A, going to ask you the GK questions. And my first question is, through which center did Neil Armstrong went on moon? I repeat once, through which center did Neil Armstrong went on moon? Okay. To whom did God Narasimha kill? To whom did God Narasimha kill? Who is the founder of Infosys? Yes? Yes, Narayan Murthy. Which state of India has more forest region? Which state of India has more forest?
From the back side. Speak from the back side. Yes.
Yes. Yes, right answer, Madhya Pradesh. My fifth question is, what is the full name of Kavi Kusumagraj? What is the full name of Kavi Kusumagraj? Right answer, Vishnu Aman Shivard. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected Chief Guest of the program, Sri Chandrasekhar Deshpande sir, Secretary, Shikshan Mandal Karad, Honorable Anga Prangar ma'am, Vice Chairman, Shikshan Mandal Karad, Honorable Sri Rajendra Lodkar sir, Joint Secretary Shikshan Mandal Karad, and respected Ila Yogi Madam, Principal, Mahila Mahavidyalaya. You are most welcome here in the program of Essence English Medium School on the occasion of oath taking ceremony. My dear students, before starting the process of intro session, I would like to tell you that this is a very special day, very important day for all of us. Special and important for two reasons. The first one is that you already know that we are having today oath taking ceremony, investiture ceremony for the students council of our school, Essence English Medium School. The second reason that we are fortunate enough that we have got the presence of some of the dignitaries of Shikshan Mandal. They are present among us. They are observing the whole process. But one thing that I would like to tell you, that when you see a movie, generally what happens? You see the characters playing the different role in the movie, but they are shown on the screen. But apart from that, there are many more characters who are not shown or whom you do not see there on the screen. But their role is very important in the success of the movie. They are often behind the screen. Maybe producer of the movie, director of the movie, story writer, lyricist, and so on and so forth. Similarly, when you are coming to the school, every day you meet with your teacher, you see your principal, you see the office staff, you see the supporting staff members. But have you ever thought that apart from this, there are many more characters, there are many more good persons who are always motivating us, who are always serving as the torch bearer, who are always giving the suggestions, good suggestions for the goodness of the school. So in this series of introduction, first I would like to welcome to the Honorable Secretary Sir, Chandrasekhar Deshpande Sir. Sir, no doubt you are very scholar, and you know every small and big thing of running the school very successfully. Today I am giving you one more disclosure. Sir is a very good speaker. On several occasions I have listened him very carefully. And sir, I am your secret admirer. So we have the pleasure of his presence today. Just the next one, we can see Honorable Purankar ma'am, She is a very great educationist, great scholar, great schema also, great planner also, and in many of the meetings I have got rather very good suggestions for the further betterment of the school, and I hope, ma'am, in the future also our school will be getting your good suggestions, your guidelines, your mentorship. After that, how can I forget to tell you about the Honorable Joint Secretary, Sri Rajendra Latkar sir. Sir, you are most welcome here. Very genial, very cool, very calm, and at many times I have got the good tips from sir. Apart from this, we have got the presence of Honorable Ila Yogi ma'am. She is obviously being the principal of Mahila Mahavidyalaya. You all can better understand what has been her contribution in the field of education. Ma'am, from time to time, I will be expecting your good suggestions also for the goodness, for the future of the school. So I welcome all the dignitaries, and I hope that under your guidelines, your mentorship, our school will definitely flourish a lot in the coming future. And thanks to the teachers of our school, the students, they are no doubt accepting every challenge, every new concept, and I hope that our team will definitely take the school to the new height. So once again, I welcome all the dignitaries and all those even who could not come to this program, maybe for certain reasons. And to all I welcome, I thank, who are directly or indirectly associated with Shikshan Mandal, with Essence English Medium School. So thank you very much. I hand over the mic for the further proceedings. Thanks.
Rizwan Sairaj Patil, Gadaraj Aryan Kadam Sarate, Sharanya Mane Saranti, Rajveer Nikar. Now Deputy Head Girl Shivanjali Chavan. Now, Sai Puro. Ratnam Grade 7A.
Clap everybody.
Satyajit Patil. Anurag Pandey. Vishwajit Chavan. Aryan Khavekar. Vijay Chavan. Virat Sonawade. Anushka Kashyap. Ananya Patil, sports captain. Kulkarni. More. Kamaljeet Suryavanshi. Sarthak Pandey. Siddhi Khandagare, Savarkar House. Anand House. Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Narayani Garu from 10C. Once again I welcome everyone. I am actually feeling very blessed that I got this opportunity to represent our school as a head girl. I am also happy that I am part of Students' Council. Do you know what is Students' Council and what is its importance? Students' Council is a powerful opportunity for enhancing our leadership skills and great opportunity for learning. Students' Council is a group of students who work for maintaining school's discipline. We will solve the problems faced by students. We will work for understanding and creating general awareness. We will also be working for school's improvement. For all of us, it's gonna be like a practice for decision making, confidence, leadership skills, and also it will teach us the importance of practice of discipline. Discipline is very important in our life. So many people think that if we lived in a disciplined way, then we'll not be able to enjoy a fun of life and freedom. But I feel that if we want to lead a healthy and successful life, discipline is must. You can also live in a disciplined way and also enjoy our life. There are so many great people who are leading successful life and also enjoying it while having discipline. For example, Sudha Murthy, the great writer, Sundar Pichai, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Alphabet, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, MSD, everyone's favorite cricketer,
Dhirubhai Ambani, a famous businessman, and many more like them. And we have the best example of discipline in front of us, our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Santosh Kumar Giri Sir. For small children, we are going to be like a big brother or sister. We will always be there to help everyone. And I hope that we will get amazing cooperation from students and teachers. As I said, book can show us inside the page and Students' Council will teach us outside the book. That is life skill education. We are the voice of students. I am grateful and proud that I am learning in the school from the junior KG. I am grateful towards the teachers who gave me knowledge. Thank you to the teachers who trusted me and selected me as a head girl. The Students' Council is going to enhance our school in every way. Thanks to Principal Sir who had this idea of Students' Council. And I request teachers that sometime if we go wrong or we are leaving the right track, please help us in getting back on the right track. I have bonding with every single teacher here. Also with the Bai, because when we were small, she used to take care of us and she is doing that now too. Thanks to everyone here who trusted us. I'm actually feeling very overwhelmed. Thank you. Thank you.
Having been selected as, say your portfolio. Of SM's English Medium School. Do solemnly. Swear to abide by. Rules and regulations. Of our school. That. I will support and defend. The discipline. And the decorum. Of our school. That. I will discharge the duties. To the best of my ability. And capacities. Without fear or favor. With the aim. In view of furthering. The mission of this organization. And advancing. The interests of the school. And to conduct myself. In a manner. To bring honor. Prestige and glory. To my school. That I take this pledge. Without mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you and congratulations. Good morning everyone. I won't take much of your time, hardly 4 to 5 minutes. I know it is rather late for you. First and foremost, greetings to the respected principal, Santosh Kumar Giri sir, and the entire staff of SM's English School and dear students. Respected Vice Chairman of the Trust, Amitatai Parankar, our Joint Secretary, Rajendra Latkar, Dr. Ila Zogi, the Principal of the premises where we are presently sitting, Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Greetings to you too. First and foremost, our best wishes from Shiksha Mandal Karad on this special day in the school calendar of SM's English Medium School. Congratulations to the one and all who is associated with this school. The first thing which actually I noticed when I came in the school premises today was the smart attire of the entire staff. Let me congratulate you on this change. And special thanks to Giri sir for that. Today I have been entrusted with the responsibility by our Honorable Chairman sir to express regrets on his behalf, that though he was very much eager to attend this first function in the I think SMS English Medium School's life of around 30-35 years. He was rather eager for that, but because of some unavoidable household duties, he could not be here. I express his regret and extend his good wishes to the school. I take this opportunity to express our congratulations to the head boy and head girl of the school, along with the portfolio holders who have been honored today day with their batches and, of course, new responsibilities. Actually, the thing which I noticed from the speech of the headmaster was that it's a movie. The school is a movie, and we are the character. We are the main characters. The teachers and the students and everyone who is associated with the school are the main characters of the movie, who we see, who we watch on the screen, and we are the persons who are behind the screen in the movie. I'll forward this analogy a bit further. That actually it is our success if we are not noticed. That is our feeling. If you don't know us, then we are successful. So we would rather like to be behind the screen, in back of the screen, rather than coming in front of the screen. I don't know whether you understand this or not, but anyway, it was my duty to tell it to the principal. This house concept, which actually our school is adopting from today, I think this concept has been adopted in most of the English medium schools for a long time. It was rather overdue, and I congratulate you for accepting it eventually. I presume this house system, the concept of houses, will bring a lot of competitiveness in your school's daily calendar as well as all the yearly calendar which your school follows. And along with this competitiveness, there will be a new camaraderie amongst you. That is what is expected as a result of following this or accepting this house system. And I expect this to be ushered in because of this new system. The camaraderie and the competitiveness. Your houses have been named after 4 great personalities, which we have actually honored today, have bowed before them on behalf of you students. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Swami Vivekananda. Hope everyone of you has heard about them. But I think I just suggest to the school management that this is a very great opportunity for the school to provide insight in the great lives of these great personalities whose name your house is loaning. So actually I suggest the school management that you can, to start with the house system, you can organize a essay or an elocution competition on the lives and work of all these 4 personalities, so that the students will also come to know the greatness of these great personalities who have been instrumental in the shaping lives of the humanity, more particularly India. And lastly, but not the least, I like the news which was read by, I think, one of your schoolmates. I'd like to, okay, nice of you. And from that I actually took a cue, and on behalf of Shikshan Mandal, I'd like to tell you a news and ask you a GK question. Because that was a representative from the students who told you today's important news. I am a representative from the trust who is going to tell you the international important news of today. Taking a cue from whatever was said in the entire program, because I heard the name of the great Narayan Murthy 2 or 3 times in the course of this program. So, the news of international news of today is the present Premier of UK, Great Britain. Boris Johnson has resigned. Have you know it? Do you know it? Yes. Have you read it anywhere? And who is in the race to succeed the British Premier? Rishi Sunak. He is an expected Indian. And this is the news of today. And the GK question of based on that is can you relate him and Narayan Murthy in any way? You know Narayan Murthy, you have heard of him, I think. I think 2 or 3 times in the course of today's program, I have come to hear the name of Mr. Narayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy. Anyone from the portfolio bearers? Yes, of course, I know who they are, but is anyway Mr. Rishi Sunak, who is currently a finance minister for UK. And he is a front runner for the post of British Prime Minister, UK Prime Minister. Is in any way related to Narayan Murthy? Anyway, he is son-in-law of Narayan Murthy. So, just I thought to share this fact with you, because Indians should be proud that who ruled us, Britishers ruled us for about 200 years. And now the tables have changed. An expected Indian is expected to rule the entire UK in the coming years. So this is a very proud moment for us all Indians, and I got it my privilege to share with you on this special occasion. I don't know whether he will be successful in his bid for Prime Ministership, but let us wish him all the best from all India. And finally, I must congratulate the compiler of the program. I think your name is Riddhi Panchari, or am I mistaken?
Yes.
Okay, you did a very great job and very good job for your age. You did a very great job, and I actually make it a point to mention it from the stage. That you are doing just fine. Keep it up. So thank you all, and wish you all the best for this house system. Thank you, and have a good day.
Are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of its. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Ready for play? Preamble.
Resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thoughts, expressions, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down.
Myself, Harshvardhan from Standard 10A, head boy of SMC English Medium School. I thank our principal sir for giving us the concept of Students' Council. We are overwhelmed to be the volunteer of our school. I thank all the chief guests for sparing their valuable time and encouraging us. I thank all the teachers for making this program successful. I thank all the non-teaching staff and helpers for making these arrangements. So once again, thank you.
Adina